What's up, y'all? I'm Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my homemade cookies and cream ice cream from scratch. Now, it's a really great ice cream. I always like cookies and cream ice cream. It could serve up to about 4 people, or you could just make it just for yourself. And it is delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all what you'll need to make your cookies and cream ice cream. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need some heavy whipping cream. You could use regular heavy cream if you like. You also need some whole milk, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, 1 package of Oreo sandwich cookies. You can also use other brands as well. And to make your ice cream, you're going to need an ice cream maker. Now this is a 1 1/2 quarts ice cream maker by Cuisinart. And lastly, you will need an airtight container or bowl to put your ice cream in. And there you have it. All right, let's get straight to it. We're going to go ahead and break about 20 to 25 Oreo cookies, and we're just going to place that into this medium-sized bowl here to break them up and put them in there. And over here, we're going to take about 4 of these sandwich cookies, and we're going to take the filling and we're just going to place that into this small glass bowl over here. And the rest of it, you could just take it and crumble it and add it in there. There we go. Now as for your cookies, you're just going to cover this, and you're going to place this into your refrigerator until you're ready to make your ice cream. It's going to also keep your cookies fresh as well, so that way they won't go stale. And as for the filling to the cookies, we're going to add this into our ice cream mixture. So put this on the side. All right, now let's get started with making the ice cream mixture. In a medium-sized pot, we're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now you can use regular cream if you like. And to that, we're going to add 1 1/4 cups of whole milk, 2/3 cup of sugar, and remember the filling that I told you to reserve from the Oreo cookie sandwiches. You're just going to add that in there. It's not a certain amount, just add it on in there. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to go ahead and give this a quick stir, and we're going to stir this until the mixture gets hot. It should take any more than 5 to 6 minutes. And you also want to keep in mind the pot, your stove, and the temperature of the cream and all that are deciding factors. It might take more or less time, okay? So we're just going to stir this in. You want to make sure that sugar has dissolved as well. You want to make sure the sugar is dissolved. Okay. I'm going to just let this get hot. Alright y'all, it's been about 5 minutes now, and our mixture is hot. We don't want to bring it to a simmer or anything like that, okay? So this is exactly what we're looking for. Alright, now we're going to pour our milk and cream mixture into this medium-sized bowl here. Alright, here we have some plastic wrap, another thing you're going to need for this recipe. Now we're going to take the plastic wrap, and we're just going to gently place it onto the milk and cream mixture. We don't want that skin forming at the top, that's why we're doing this. Alright, now we're going to cover this, and we're going to place this into our freezer for about 2 hours or until the mixture gets cold. Now times do vary, okay, so you want to keep that in mind. Just monitor it until it gets cold. Alrighty, it's been about 2 hours now. Go ahead and remove this plastic wrap off here. I'm going to go ahead and use my spatula to kind of help remove some of that off. And now we're ready to go ahead and add this into our ice cream maker. Alright, here we have our ice cream maker base. Now you want to freeze this for about 24 to 48 hours before you make your ice cream, or according to your ice cream maker's instructional manual, okay? All right, now let's go ahead and turn our ice cream maker on. Now we're going to pour our ice cream mixture into our ice cream maker. Let me go ahead and turn this off. All right, now we're going to go ahead and let this churn until the ice cream thickens a little bit, and then from there we're going to add our cookie pieces in there. All right, y'all, it's been about 10 minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and add our cookie pieces. Now we're going to let this churn for an additional 5 to 6 minutes. All right, y'all, as you can see, it's not churning anymore. That lets us know that our ice cream is done. All right, now we're going to go ahead and turn our ice cream maker off. All right, let me go ahead and remove this off. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this and I'm going to just remove this out. You can see. And I'm going to just add the ice cream into this bowl here. Give this a quick stir. Now, to be honest with y'all, y'all could just take the cookies, make the ice cream first, and then take the cookies and just add them in. Add the ice cream in here and then add the cookies last if you like. All right, that looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and cover this. Then we're just gonna place this into our freezer overnight. So it's still in the daytime, so by the time tomorrow comes, that'll be about 15 to 20 hours from now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let this sit overnight so that way the ice cream could get firm. And I'll just have a scoop of this tomorrow. So into the freezer it goes. And there y'all have it, ladies and gentlemen. Homemade cookies and cream ice cream made from scratch. Now let's go ahead and have a try of this. It's a really good ice cream. It's full of the Oreo cookies in there, and the ice cream is nice and creamy. It's on point. So give the recipe a try. Hey y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I'm gonna have an official website for all of my recipes, including this recipe. Go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. I'm also on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a great day. Peace. Now that that's over with, I'm about to eat this whole thing.